So now, by way of addendum to my last post, I've been tinkering with blades for the auto mower. It's a real classic bodge job, real experimentation, should I say. I've taken a mini CD, that's an 8cm disc rather than the 12cm disc, and through that I've bolted two Stanley blades, and these are facing opposite directions, and they are set to pivot on bolts. Centrifugal force flings them out, but if they hit anything particularly tough, then they just flip back in, and then centrifugal force flips them back out again. The Stanley blades look a bit odd. They're black and silver. That's because I had to heat up the Stanley blades to soften them. When I tried to, yes, I learnt the hard way. I learnt the idiot's way, should I say. Stanley blades are hardened steel, so when I tried to center punch the first one that I experimented with, it just shattered. So I've heated them up with a blow lamp and then let them cool down slowly, and that softened the metal and allowed me to center punch and then drill to put the bolts through. And there's just washers and such, another couple of bolts, nuts either side, so that the blades can swivel nicely. And well, the acid test is to pop that into the drill and see what it does to the grass. I'll show you in a sec. Okay, now we're in the drill, and as you can see, as it spins up, you might see that the blades are being flung out beautifully. Now, of course, if they hit anything, let's go up against the wood there, they then flick in, and then as soon as the obstacle is passed, they should pop straight back out again. The acid test, of course, is to try it out on some grass. The lawn isn't looking fantastic because it's been dry recently, but if I pop the camera down, I'll give you a demo. Alright, here we go. Oh, I'm probably going to have to edit all of that. Right, here we go. Test pass number 1. Here we go. Obviously, wearing safety goggles. I hope you are too, because you're going to be right in the firing line. Here we go. Battery on fast. There we go. And you can probably see that I've got a flat battery, so it's not moving very quickly at all. In fact, shamefully slowly. But you might be able to see, even at this very slow speed, how it's cutting. Just nibbling the tops off. And as you can hear, my battery is completely shot. So I'll probably have to come back another day. But you get the idea. When it's spinning a bit faster, it does a much better job cutting things first time. I'm sliding backwards and forwards to get it to cut now, which is a bit of a shocker. The only caveat to this design at the moment, or the major caveat, is, I don't know if you can see if I bring it round. Yeah, I got a stress fracture through the CD. Obviously it's just a plastic CD for testing, and it's not up to having bolts really tightened up nice and tight on it. But I have got a hard drive platter, which is aluminium, which I'll have another look at sometime, and perhaps make it out of that. There we go. Ta-da!